Also heard from students who have been impacted by the carbon monoxide leak.
News Channel 11's Ethan Offit has been on Milligan's campus hearing from those students on their experience. Ethan?
Yes, Sarah, Casey, as you just mentioned, I've been on campus pretty much all day today. I'd say starting around 10 this morning, and I've seen a few different things, but the vibes haven't been too bad. When I first arrived here at the Steve Lacy Fieldhouse, the signs we saw yesterday saying the field house was temporarily closed was still up on those doors, but also within the last few minutes and even this morning, I've seen athletic teams still going around the facility, gathering their things, getting ready to go to different sporting events. Now, university officials tell me they are going to keep the field house closed until they are sure students and staff would be safe to return. Excuse me, I spoke to one student here at Milligan who said one of his friends on the swim team actually was impacted by the leak.
He seemed pretty bummed to miss class and all that, and I think he said he almost passed out earlier, so that would explain some things.
Now, Sarah, Casey, that student did tell me his friend was released from the hospital after being treated for his symptoms. I believe it was the one here in Elizabethton Sycamore Shoals Hospital. And again, I want to reiterate that the university has been making sure all students and staff are staying safe as they continue to investigate this leak. But Sarah, Casey, we're going to send it back to you now. Reporting live in Carter County, Ethan Offit, News Channel 11.